Residents of a small town in Michigan reported hearing terrifying sounds coming from the forest, sounds so chilling, they couldn't sleep at night.
These guys are braver than me. Oh no, it's right over there. No!
They noticed the sound was unlike any animal they had ever heard, completely unfamiliar to the town. It continued throughout the night. What do you think could have made these sounds? Share your theories in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more chilling shorts.